Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my January Crafty Bonbons box, and this month's theme is vintage. So as you can see, you receive a personalized die cut that's got my initials on it. That's pretty. And I think they were going for like a vintage Rococo style, or Art Nouveau style. That was really cute. So let's have a little look what this box contains. So as per usual, I order a traveler's notebook insert, but this time I've ordered a B6 size, and I'll send the plain one. That's lovely. Right, so then you get a lace. Oh, that's pretty lace. And another one, and I think these are true vintagey laces, like really vintage. They're real vintage stuff. That is so nice. And oh, I forgot about this. As per usual, you get your loyalty card, and I'm hoping somewhere in here is sometimes there is a card about the collaboration, the shops, Crafty Bonbons. Anyway, I will leave the Facebook group in the description box so that you can come and play with us or come and join the group, and that's where you get the sneak peeks and monthly themes. And sometimes they do some random act of kindness. They give out or they post out some digital printables as freebies, yeah, and competitions. And then that's where we share what we do with the boxes too, with the contents of the boxes. Right, so moving on, you get a pen in your box. This is the Stabilo 0.88 fine 0.4 nib pen. That's good. And you get an ephemera pack. I'm not entirely sure now whether what I've ordered. I'm sure I've ordered an A4 box, perhaps. It comes in different sizes, so yeah. So in this packet, I keep diverting and digressing or something. You get what you call this? Some sort of rivets. I can't remember what they're called now. But if you know what they're called, please let me know at the description box. I keep forgetting what they're called. Yeah, sorry. You get them. Right, let me just pop that there. And then you get some bits and pieces of die cut. So, oh, I got my initials. Yes, card. Ah, that's really interesting. Get some stamps. I think these are true vintage stamps. Look at them. Don't know what that is. Quincy. Oh my god, I wish I got in 1976, because that would be my birthday, my year of birth. That would be awesome. But 77 is still okay. That's really cool. So you get those. Sorry. You get this Rococo style or like Art Nouveau style people sticker. Aren't they gorgeous? And this one too. That's beautiful. You get some, oh, vintagey tags. Oh my god. Art Nouveau, like die cut, I think, like a swirly. That looks like a marsupial of some sort. This is like a vintage, is it tea card or something? Cigarette card. That's beautiful. Then you get them. Vintagey stuff. Vintage print out of the world. And some card. Little journal cards. And then, oh, I was interested about this. So, she posted this on the group that she was given a pyrography set. And I saw her in the group. She was engraving all of our names, or the names of the or whoever buys a box. So I was wondering what she was doing, and now I know it's like bamboo. So she created this bamboo to act as like a quill, or like your pen, and she gave you a diamond ink in Syrah. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun to play with. I got that there. That is so exciting. You get a small box of, what are these? I'm guessing it's stickers. Oh yeah, vintagey music paper stickers. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's cute. That's beautiful. Right, so there's a lot of them here. Wow. Okay. That is pretty. Oh god, there's more in the box. Okay, there's a lot in that box. Yay. And then you get yourself a vintage washi tape. That is gorgeous. I don't know whether you can see that really well, but it's beautiful. And then I'm guessing these are vintage buttons, so you get a handful of them. And you get this kind of like coin envelope that has got like a string closure on it. That's empty. That's good. You get vintage die cuts, like of ladies. Like, oh, these are like fashion dolls of some sort. Beautiful. That is beautiful. And then I'm still ignoring this. I'm just gonna put that there because I know there's some more in there. Oh, where did that come from? Did that come from here? Well, there's three other ladies here that are vintagey, like Victorian. Then you get a packet of floral die cuts. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Okay. And then you get another packet, but this time I think these are washi stickers. There's one like perfume bottle left in there. So they are, I'm gonna pop it in here. They're like vintagey images. Look, oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, there's one one problem with that one. Love was back to front, so hopefully if we stick it like that, wow, we'll try and see. Oh, that was it's beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. These are pretty. Okay, let's pop that on the one side. Then you get your classic CraftyBonbons. I think they always put this in here. A dark hearts, like shiny, what do you call this? Sparkly or holographic or shiny. Sometimes they're plain, non-shiny ones. Die cuts. There's a lot in there. It's a bit of a ribbon. Love. Butterfly key. A bit of a label. And what's this packet? You get a lot of things in this box, guys. You probably have noticed that by now. So this is another set of stickers, and this time I'm gonna go in the white bit so you can see it. These are little it's like Art Nouveau, vintagey Art Nouveau style. Look, it's beautiful. There's a lot of it in here as well, guys. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Right, and then you get these little vintage envelopes. Oh, they're so cute. There's 3 of them. Then you get some journal cards. And then you also get blank journal cards. You can play with. Oh, yes, they're nice. So we get back to this because I think there's only 2 of them. These are like address labels. They're self-adhesive, and you just stick them in an envelope for you to stick like address and stuff on it. And then you get this beautiful vintagey pages that I think that has been printed on. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Again, beautiful. Oh yeah, that's that one. And this one is this one. Oh my goodness, it just makes you just don't want to use it because it's, oh my god, you get printed on. Oh my goodness, it's beauty, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. With your letter set, you get a letter set too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is so good. And then last but not the least is you get your vintage papers. These are good quality paper. As you can hear it, it's very thick. That's nice. I like the writings in those days, like in, you know, the old handwriting. Look at that. And this one. Get another brown cardstock and a very like Art Nouveau style paper. So that's it, guys. This is my January CraftyBonbons box, vintage themed, and I hope you like what I've shared, and do join us in the Facebook group. If you want to purchase one of these boxes, then all the details are on the Facebook group on when it gets released or when the new box is out and what theme it is and how much it is, and yeah, and any other sneak peeks that's coming along your way. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.